Welcome guys, in this video I am with the OPPO A57s and I'm gonna show you camera tips and tricks. Okay, so first of all, when we are in the camera application, we can simply use the volume buttons. They are located on the left side. When you click once on the volume up or volume down, as you can see, we can take photos. When you click and hold one of these buttons, you can take a series of the photo. It works the same for the both buttons. Right now, to find all of these photos that you take in the series, you have to open the gallery and tap on this icon. As you can see right now, we can find them, all of them right here, and if you want to select any of them, just click once and you can select them and save by tapping on the right upper corner. Next, we can quickly adjust the brightness level by tapping on the screen and then moving this icon up and down. You can also make it automatically by tapping on the screen. When you try to zoom in or zoom out, you can use these presets. So we can go for the 1x, 2x and 5x, and just take a look. This zoom feature is very good. As you can see, that's the quality, it's sharp even on the 5x, but when you click and hold on the already selected preset, you can use also this slider. So we can make it very smooth and just take a look on the quality of the zoom. It's actually really good. You are also able to zoom in and zoom out by pinching screen with your two fingers. Next, when you tap in this place, we are able to find different preset of the filters, and as you can see, they changed the color and the temperature. So if you want to take a photo with this one, just click on the shutter and the photo was taken. If you want to get rid of that and go for the original, just select first from the list. Next, when you click in this place, we'll open menu with additional features. So I just show you that we can use the volume buttons as a shutter or take series of the photo, but we are also able to switch function, for example, to the zoom. And take a look how it works right now. When you press volume up, we are going to zoom in, and volume down to zoom out. Next, we can also use the fingerprint sensor to take photo with it. It's located on the right edge. It's linked to the volume button. I mean to the power button. Take a look. You are also enabled to turn off the shutter sound. And when we go for the composition, we can enable the grid lines for the videos and the photos, and also we can enable camera leveler. As you can see right now, the lines appears on the list and they help us to take better composition on the photos. When you go for the advanced settings, we can flip selfie, so it will make like mirror effect. And there's also the quick launch gesture. When you double press the volume button, we can quickly open the camera application when the screen is turned off. So let's make it right now. As you can see, it works for the both buttons. When you go for the shotting methods, we can use tap to capture option and show palm of the hand to take selfies, and take a look how it works. Tap to capture, you have to just simply tap on the screen. The phone is going to catch focus on the objects and then it will take photo. When you flip to the selfie camera, we can put our hand like that, and when it will be detected, as you can see, the photo will be taken. So I'm gonna turn off these options. And there's also the watermark function. We can enable it by tapping right here. We can add date and the time, and also we can add our own signature. Click here and just go back. And when you take a photo and go for the preview, as you can see in the left bottom corner, we can find the device watermark, date and the time, and also our own signature. Next, we can simply move for the more modes, because right here we can find, for example, the sticker mode. To add the sticker to your preview, you have to click in this place. And as you can see, there's a lot of different stickers that you can quickly apply to your screen. If you want to download any of them, just click, and when you are connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data, it will be downloaded in a few moments. And right now you got this frame on your photo. And take a look. That's how it looks. Okay, and I guess that's all for this video. That's all functions that I can recommend you in this OPPO A57s. That's all camera tips and tricks and hidden options. If you find this video helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.